Hi, I'm Donna Dewberry. We're painting one-stroke painting today. Alright, so I'm going to put some Wisteria in here. I'm going to use my smaller scruffy since my wreath is smaller. Now look what happens. This is a dry brush. When I use it, I fluffed it out. I'm going to pounce a little bit of white and a little bit of purple. Okay, I've got both colors. And I'm going to come in here and pounce around the area. See how I move it around? And then I let it hang a little bit, kind of like a tornado. I say it's not a Texas tornado, it's a Florida tornado. Ours look like water spouts. Okay, so, and a little bit in here. See, that color just pops. Now, what you want to do is don't over pounce this till it's muddy. You want to see all those pretty colors in there. Alright, so we're going to leave it like this. We're going to do a little bit of a ribbon. So I'm going to go to water, and I'm going to do purple. So this is violet pansy. So I'm going to go in a circular motion next to the puddle. And I usually get at least 2 or 3 times I get water. Alright, so this is going to be kind of transparent, so I might add a little bit of white. Alright, now I'm going to stand here and go make a loop. Another loop. Now I like to go into this and split it like this. See how fun that looks? And I'm not worrying about putting that leaf there. I can put another one. So see, this coming down is very easy. We could do curly cues if you want, but this is fun just like that. One thing I like to do though is let's come in with a few smaller leaves before I do my other leaves. And I'm just going to use a little bit of floating medium, a lavender. And I can do a few shadow leaves with this pretty color. Just fill those in. And I think it gives it dimension to have a few other colors in here besides all the same color green. See, I don't worry about those being perfect. They're just a little bit of an illusion out here. Out here. Now we need to attach some of those. And we finish up by a few extra leaves onto the Wisteria, so it looks like they're underneath. So isn't that fun? It's one of my favorite things. Little rosebuds, hearts, and shadow leaves. There we go.